My name is Meir Martin and I am the owner of PetPeePee. Since 1991, I provide a service nationwide, cleaning Oriental rug from dog and cat's urine odor. And many customers ask me, it's baking soda, it's really work? So I would like to clear some information about cleaning Oriental rug with baking soda. The pH balance of baking soda is no good, no bad, neutral. So when we take a vinegar and we put it on a baking soda, the reaction will make a foam. We believe that this foam will kill the PeePee. However, it's a mistake. The vinegar will eliminate some of the power of the PeePee. However, the baking soda is not going to do anything. No good, no bad. It just can cause more damage if the PeePee stain is near a red or blue or dark color, so the color can run. This is the only downside of baking soda. So if you believe then baking soda can do a miracle and make the PeePee disappear, go ahead. If you believe none of this abracadabra cleaning product will do any good, send the rug to the right place to clean it with the Dead Sea minerals. It takes me 25 years to come with the organic cleaning product. Then it's odor-free, soap-free, enzyme-free, and it's a guarantee in writing 100% urine odor removal when we use it with the PetPeePee machine. This is the only way to remove urine odor. Thank you for watching PetPeePee, the only one guarantee urine odor removal.